Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I wanted to upload yesterday, but I couldn't because yesterday when I was trying to upload a video, when I was trying to film myself, I tell you about my day, like how it's been. My friend called me and told me like I have a big math test or something like that. So that like took me off guard and I just lost everything, because I had just called with my mentor, and after that, my friend called me and was like, "Have you studied?" I was like, "What? What study?" And he was like, "Yeah, we have tests or something like that." So that was that was bad news. So I just tried to study, go to the gym, and do all the stuff I had to do with my business. So that yesterday was a busy day. I slept around 3 or 4 a.m. and I was like, "I'm gonna make the video after I'm done with everything. But when I was done with everything, I was just dead tired and I had to wake up a day after, which is today, like around 8 a.m. 8 in the morning, so to do the test and stuff. So it was kind of harsh, guys. So I'm sorry for that. And then so yeah, guys. So basically, what I've been up to, how's my new store. So yeah. So guys, I launched my ads I guess 4 days ago. Yes, 4 days ago I did. And then first day I launched five ads. Five ads, ad set level budgets, $50 a day, three creatives, and each creative had a different ad copy. And I just tested and I just launched them. So I just leave them to run for 3 days to just gather some data and see how it is. So first day I got two sales. Like first day I was running the ads. The second day I got five sales, and then the third day when I had the meeting with my mentor, like the calling and like basically go over like how it's been like, so he can troubleshoot like everything that is wrong, everything I can like improve and do it better. So in the third day, like when I had the meeting with him, which was around 5 p.m. or something like that. So uh, I haven't got a sale till then. So second day was first day was good. Second day was bomb, like kind of. But third day was kind of off, and I had like around 2,075% video viewers and around 1,095% video views, and I was ready for launching lookalike audiences to gather some more data. And at that moment, like at the second day, I saw that one of the interests didn't even get the add to cart or initiate checkout, but other interests they all had like couple of add to carts, couple of initiate checkout, they all had purchase except one creative. After 48 hours, I turned off that creative because that wasn't profitable at all and didn't even get the one add to cart. So I turned off that ad set. Ad set, yes. And then, uh, yes. So when I talked to my mentor, he told me like he gave me a couple of tips like my texting wasn't that good, like writing an ad copy or something like that. He gave me some big tips, and when he saw my product page, he was like, yeah, this is clean and everything, but you're just selling in your product description. You are not telling it what's in it for customers, what's in it for them, because one thing people want is like they're like selfish, me and you, like we're all selfish. Like we see a product, we don't care about like, yeah, I don't know, it have this, it have that, like what's in it for me, how it can benefit me, how it can like make my life easier, how like a product like the protein, like you're selling like supplement something. Why should I use protein? Okay, to get bigger. Why should I get bigger? Because you want to be stronger. Why should I be stronger? To get more girls. Why should I get more girls? Because you want human generation to live, like just give the reason, give the reason, give the reason until it's like no more like objectives, okay, I have to buy this, I need this. Like you're selling the feeling that product's gonna give to them. You're not selling the product, you're selling like what they can get with the product. Like for example, if you guys buy a course, you don't buy the course like for the course, yeah, for the dude. You buy the course because you think that this course gonna make you rich, or this course gonna make you teach you how to make money. So that's why you buy the course. So yeah, I hope you guys like taking like can you relate or use this or something like that? Guys, writing ad copy or product description, how you can relate to your audience or like talk as one of them. And how we can do that is by like knowing who your audience is, knowing who your targeting is. And like as like my mentor or like another like good dropshippers I know, like I have seen their videos say like you don't need to like your ad or your page doesn't need to relate to anyone, like everybody. Okay, you just need that specific group of people. You just need to talk to them, and that's how you're going to be successful. If you're like open and you're not niche down, like if you're not targeting anyone, nobody can relate. But if you're targeting one people of group, like something like that, they can relate and they can, yeah, I feel like that. So they can buy it as well, so it's going to be as well. And I have a product upsell as well set up. I have it one after people check out. Like after people check out, the same product comes up and say, hey, you can buy this product like 50-40% off. You want to add it? So and when they click buy, they just buy the product. Like they don't need to check out again. Write down their information. So that's, I'm sorry. Yeah, yes. So that's how it is, guys. So that's basically it. And today, like, yeah, he told me that yesterday, like, to make this everything ad copy and stuff. And guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I suck at this. But I'm reading book, cash advertising, how to write a copy that says like this is very important, to be able to write. And then I did that as well. I'm reading a book. I'm getting better and better. So basically today I just changed my product description. I make it like more relatable, more like how it can solve their problem, not just selling. And at the moment I'm just ready to launch my ads. Like I'm getting every ad copy, ad sets, everything ready, because my mentor said you have to turn off these ad sets and make sure everything is in on the like plan, and then launch them again. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. So I'm just gonna make the ad sets, let them run like 7 ad sets, let them run for like 3 days, $50 a day budget. Yeah, so basically we see like what happens with this product, because I know that like this product solves a problem, and it can help people really like to make their life easier. But beside of that, like life is life is suck. But like I've been doing this like for, I don't know, 4 or 5 months, maybe, I don't know, maybe more, maybe less, maybe less, probably, because first 2-3 months I was just studying, and I was just in love with this business model and just getting every knowledge I can. And so I try to like be fast as possible, like have a good mentor, be around people that are in the same business. No negativity, guys. Listening to motivational speeches, and like just trying to educate myself every day, because I know this gonna work, and I know I'm gonna make it. Like it's just matter of time. But one thing we all don't have, like, is patience. You guys have to only have patience. We are just so young. Like I'm just 20, 21. I'm like, where I'm gonna be in 4 years if I do this like every day. Like it's impossible to not make it. It's literally impossible, guys. Like you hang around the barbershop long enough, sooner or later you're gonna get a haircut. So it's easy. It's easy. You're gonna get it. You have just to believe in yourself and just keep doing it every day. Like when I started dropshipping, it was like 4 or 5 months ago, something like that. Like the time passes like this, guys. Like I was like, damn, time went by so fast. Like it was like last week or something like that. Time flies, guys. So when you're doing something you love, just times fast passes so fast. So just keep going. If you have any questions, you can ask me as well. I don't know that much, but I will try to help you at my best. But beside of that, like watch YouTube videos. There's free courses out there. You don't need to pay for any course. Like you can find someone that sell the course like for $20, and you can go just buy it. So that's what I did. Like basically, I hope I don't get sued. But yeah, guys. So I promise you, I will update you tomorrow as well. So I hope you have a nice day. Peace.